Hi there, I'm Huyên Trương and this is Stephen Tate, and you are watching Online Marketing for Doctors TV, the place to be to grow and scale profitable practices. Now, as you know, running a practice can take over your entire life and change almost every aspect of your routine. So, how do you make sure that every aspect of your business is getting the right attention it needs and deserves? How do you scale and generate profit for your practice while doing minimal amount of work? Our answer is very simple. You need to automate. The aim of marketing automation is very straightforward. Automate every possible part of the process to allow you to spend less time on your marketing and more time doing what you do best, helping people. If it's done right, you save hours every week. These following 8 steps will show you how to automate, scale, and profit. First, all you need to do is outsource menial tasks. There are jobs you don't have time for, and you know it. Social media, web design development, search engine optimization, Facebook ad, Google AdWords, the list seems endless. It's all too easy to fall into the trap of trying to do everything on your own and finding yourself constantly running behind. The secret? You might be an entrepreneur, but it's not your job to personally handle every single part of the business. It's your job to have a dream and determine the best possible way to achieve it. To work less but do more. To work smart, smarter, not harder. How? Try asking yourself these questions. Can I remove myself from this task? Can I delegate this task to somebody else who can do better, faster, and more efficiently than I do? As an entrepreneur, I used these questions countless times to help myself reimagine my business processes. As a result, it's very clear to me that only 20% of my current work is similar to what I used to do years ago. Delegation has enabled me to step away from menial tasks and move into more different roles. Now I have time to focus on strategic level projects. I focus on business development, pursuing different revenue streams, content productions, and client retention and management instead of wasting my time on every small item that crops up in day-to-day of running a business. So, what tasks you don't have time for or the skill to do it yourself? Outsource them. Save yourself time and energy to grow your business. And a great example of something you can do to grow your business is automated scheduling.
Scheduling appointments can be very frustrating, but it doesn't need to be. With simple tools like Hit a Point, Set More, Clinico, and Schedule Once, patients can access your up-to-the-minute consulting schedule, allowing them to see exactly what appointments you have available and on which days. Patients can quickly and easily select a convenient available appointment and add it to their calendar to remind them it's coming up. Such tools give you complete control over how your days run, enabling you to specify whatever limitations help you operate more efficiently and perform to your best. Whether it's stipulating allow 20 minutes between appointments or allow only 5 appointments per day, you create the optimal scheduling for your practice. An automated scheduling solution enables you to integrate your patient's appointment information into your marketing automation solution, creating processes to help optimize and grow your practice. How? Well, once the appointment is booked, you can send automated appointment reminders via email and text. Date-based automations can trigger email reminders leading up to the appointment, reducing no-shows to keep your consultation schedule full and schedule progressions. Of course, you don't want to bury your patients in an email avalanche. A simple rule of thumb is to send one reminder 2 weeks out and another a few days prior. This helps most people stay on top of their schedule. These booking systems also send a text message reminder to your patient's mobile, helping to further reduce no-shows. To ensure your patients find this helpful, send something simple, short, and relevant, like you have an appointment next week at the wellness clinic. We're looking forward to seeing you. Next, you can capitalize on your hard work and
ask patients for feedback. After the appointment, it's a great time to ask feedback from your patients. This helps improve your practice and handle small problems before they become bigger. You can reassure your patients that the feedback is easy and fast. A simple form like Google Forms is free and will handle the job nicely. As part of your feedback process, ask your patients whether they were happy with their visit. Give them a scale options for responding. Then use this information to feed into your marketing automation software. If your patient selected, "I was thrilled with my visit today," you can then encourage your patients to review your practice. Glowing reviews are incredibly powerful for healthcare providers because they often use as prospective patients' basis for choosing which practitioner to see. So, to keep your online reputation glowingly positive and inviting for your new patients, capitalizing on your happiest patients, ask them to leave you reviews. If somebody selects, "I was thrilled with my visit today," in the feedback form that you sent them earlier in step 4. You can then trigger a campaign to get their positive review out there. Make it easy for them. Specify exactly where you want them to post their review. Consider sending them a link directly to a web page where they can leave the review. The quicker and easier you make it for people, the more positive review you get. We're getting close to the end, so hang in there. The next 3 steps are very interesting one.
The next step is to send a content-oriented follow-up sequence. Although putting this process together will require a little more time investment, it's an excellent long-term strategy that will pay big dividends over time. Many healthcare professionals create a website, list themselves with Google places, and call it a day. But not you. You want to go above and beyond because you know that that'll help your practice rise above the rest. You know that makes it more likely that you'll be the patient's first choice. Now, how do you do this? I recommend creating lead magnets for your website to attract potential patients or referring doctors. A lead magnet offers your website visitors something valuable in exchange for their contact information, like providing their email address to access exclusive material. This could be anything from a small ebook or checklist through to videos and webinars. This provides a great way for your target audience to get to know you. In today's online marketing world, the email list is the new currency. After you provide your promised material, be sure to include a strong call to action at the end, encouraging patients or referring doctors to get in touch if they need help in your area of expertise or general questions. Starting a blog as part of your website can also be a powerful tool for attracting your target audience. The options here are limited only by your imagination. You can use articles, audio clips, videos to address any number of topics. You might simply use your post to answer those questions that patients have asked you in person, like, does sugar damage your skin and cause wrinkles? Is electric toothbrushes better? Or how to prevent bunions from getting worse? Try these 6 steps. And finally, how to fight facial aging. Try these 6 options. It's important to remember these posts don't have to be long or in-depth. Their primary purpose is to connect you with your patients and referral network, and to continue creating fresh content to improve your website's credibility with search engines and help your site appear for a wider range of search queries. Now, even better, these posts can be repurposed into a monthly or even bi-weekly information pack to be emailed out to your patients and referral network. Now, your patients are getting extra value from your practice, and that sets you apart from the rest. And you can use this opportunity to inform both your patients and your referring practitioners. By educating your network about optimal healthcare practices and the benefits of different available procedures, your patients and referral network will be better placed to understand what's on offer to them and how it can help them, making them more likely to schedule those procedures. Then what? Well, these messages give you a very valuable chance for...
As for referrals, this is the most important marketing automation strategy for all healthcare professionals. Remind your patients to recommend you. A strong relationship means that they want to spread the word about what a great job you're doing, especially since people understand how important referrals are to small businesses. If they appreciate you and the work, they will love the chance to help you out. And sometimes people just need a reminder that their word would be helpful. A simple, "and remember, my business relies on your recommendations," is enough to secure in somebody's mind that they have the ability to have your practice through the power of their recommendation to others. And finally, very important step, host webinars and create automated webinar marketing funnel. Webinars are a fantastic way to grow your practice. They work especially well for medical practices, providing prospective patients with more information to help them make decisions without consuming your valuable time. An informative, well-presented webinar saves hours of presentation and networking, and it is my favorite platform for our sales funnels for doctors and healthcare professionals. Webinars provide a great way to connect with your potential patients and referral contacts and on personal level. Your passion for healthcare and your interest in sharing your knowledge will help create meaningful, intimate connections and building trust in you and your practice. This allows you to attract potential patients, referring doctors, building rapport, engaging their interest, and building their trust, all without needing to meet them in person. Unlike the challenges of live seminars, webinars provide a vital flexibility for a time-poor professional community. Since they can be pre-recorded, webinars not only save you time, but also benefit your audience who can now watch your webinar when it suits their schedule. As you can see, webinars are an incredibly powerful way to create an authoritative and trustworthy brand for you and your practice, establishing you as a trusted source for primary care physicians to refer their patients to and scale your referral base fast. Actually, we are in the process of creating an online course teaching healthcare professionals on how to use webinars to increase your patients and referrals, automate your marketing to leverage your time and scale your practice. The course teaches you how to generate new patients and referrals on autopilot. Once it's set up, no further work is required on your part for a while. This is a brilliant way of systemizing your marketing, keeping in consistent contact with your referral network and leveraging your time, all while growing your practice. If you'd like to learn more about this course, check out the link below to hear from us when the course is released. onlinemarketingfordoctors.com/webinar-marketing-system.
But that's a lot, I hear you say. Now, how on earth can I put into place all of these automated processes that are going to help my business? So I've compiled a list of my automation software recommendations here. They include ActiveCampaign, Drip, Infusionsoft, Entreport, and EverWebinar. All of these programs are incredibly helpful and will help you make the leap into the automated marketing practices, which will help you quickly and easily grow your business. So I have one last question for you. What are some other marketing automation ideas you've used that have been incredibly successful for your practice? I'd love to hear back from you with your thoughts and discussions. So leave your comments below and subscribe to our blog and to become an OMD Insider. You'll receive instant access to our training, podcasts, videos, and ebook library with valuable information to help you make the most of your time and energy to grow your business. I hope you enjoyed the episode. I look forward to catching you at the next time.